Hi, this is Misty with Zenaptic Chiropractic, and today I'm going to be answering some of the top questions we get at Zenaptic. The most common condition people call our office about is injury sustained in an automobile accident or work injury. The most frequent complaints from new patients calling that I hear is neck pain or low back pain. Spinal decompression is a service that we offer in our office. It's for patients who have ongoing neck pain or low back pain, more specifically people with herniated discs, torn discs, bulging discs, or degenerative disc disease. The majority of patients who are involved in motor vehicle collisions would benefit from spinal decompression treatments. If you have any further questions, please call our office and we'd be happy to help you.